Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Chain Together in your laptop or PC. So to download this game, first of all, you have to install Steam in your laptop or PC. So this is a platform from where you can download this game. So just go to Google, search for Steam, click on the Steam icon here, the link, and on the top right, you will get this option of install Steam, and you have to install the Steam. Once you have downloaded the setup, open it up. Right now here you have to click on next, select the language, select the destination file wherever you want to install the software, and you can just click on install. Once the installation is complete, you have to log in. Right now you have to go back to the store. Right, so let me show you. And once you are here inside the store, on the top right there is a search bar. So here you have to search for the game. Right, as you can see here, Chain Together, click on it. And once you click on it, right, you will get this option of add to cart. As this is a paid game, you have to pay for it. Click on add to cart. Now here you have to click on view my cart, right, as the game is in your cart. So I just don't want to buy this game, I just want to buy Chain Together. And once you have selected, for example, I want to buy this game for my account, I will select my account here, click on continue to payment. Once you click on continue payment, on the top left side corner you will see various options from where you can just pay for it and then you can install the game. So here I will select my Visa card here. I will enter the card details as well as the other details. I have to also fill up my billing information, and once I fill up each and everything, I have to click on continue, and then the game, once it get purchased, it will show in my library section. So this is my library section where all the games which I've installed, it's shown here. As you can see here, there's a lot of games, and once it get installed here, you can click on this game and you have to click on install. Then the game will be get installed in your laptop or PC. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, leave a like in this video. Thank you.